Today we're going to talk about avocados, not just the benefits of consuming avo, but also the benefit of the avocado oil. And I'm here with Dr. Sandy Nye. She's a naturopath and she's a lover of avocados. Welcome, Sandy.
Thank you.
What inspired you to write the article?
Well, I think possibly because I can't live without avo.
Westfalia brought out a range of avocado oil, and the flavors are lemon, butter, garlic, and then plain.
People, do want to use either a healthy oil like coconut oil for frying, or now they have an alternative with avo as well. Good enough to eat, good enough to put on your face and on your hair.
So you can put it on your bald head and hopefully your hair will go back.
Well, and if you don't like avo, using an avo oil is a lovely alternative because it doesn't have a strong peppery flavour. Delicious, nutritious.
Well, I really appreciate you sharing with us and thank you so much.